Okay, this is cold start, take one. The 85 GMC 2500 van. This is April the 16th. This van has not moved since the last week of July. Camping trip. The remnants of the camping trip are still in the back of the van. See what happens. No choke on the old van. Clothespin installed like all good Chevys. Oh! See, all I had to say was good Chevy. It's going to stall because it's quite cold, but there's that good mid-80s GM reliability. And it stalls. Peace.